Finally, now let's explore how hormones impact constipation. Hormones play a crucial role in obviously regulating various bodily functions, including digestion and bowel movements. So, understanding how hormonal imbalances can lead to constipation can help us identify root cause and find effective solution. Let's start with thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones T3 and T4. Thyroid hormones, primarily T3, triiodothyronine, and T4, thyroxine, regulate metabolism and overall bodily functions. Hypothyroidism, a condition where the thyroid gland produces insufficient thyroid hormones, can slow down metabolism and decrease bowel motility, leading to constipation. If you suspect thyroid issues, it's essential to get your thyroid levels checked and consult with a healthcare provider. Next section is reproductive hormones. We have two hormones here, estrogen and progesterone. So estrogen regulates reproductive and sexual functions. High levels of estrogen, such as during pregnancy or menstrual cycles, can slow down the digestive system, causing constipation. This is because estrogen can relax the smooth muscles in the intestines, reducing bowel motility. Progesterone prepares the body for pregnancy and regulates the menstrual cycle. Increased progesterone levels during pregnancy can further relax the smooth muscles of the intestines, leading to a slower bowel movements and constipation. So, managing diet and hydration level can mitigate these effects. Section 3 about stress hormones. Cortisol. So, cortisol is a stress hormone that manages the body's response to stress and regulates metabolism. High cortisol levels due to chronic stress can negatively impact the digestive system and potentially leading to constipation. Obviously, the stress management techniques such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises can reduce cortisol levels and improve gut motility. And section 4 is about insulin and blood sugar regulation. So, insulin regulates the blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance or diabetes can affect the gut motility and contribute to constipation. So, maintaining stable blood sugar levels through a balanced diet and regular exercise can help manage constipation related to insulin imbalances. Next, section 5, mineral low corticoid hormones, which is aldosterone. So, aldosterone regulates sodium and potassium imbalance and blood pressure. High levels of aldosterone can lead to fluid retention, which might reduce water content in the stool, causing constipation. So, monitoring electrolyte levels and staying hydrated can help alleviate constipation related to aldosterone imbalances. Next is calcium regulation hormones, parathyroid hormones. So, parathyroid hormones regulate calcium levels in the blood. High levels of PTH, parathyroid hormone, can increase calcium levels, which can contribute to constipation. Ensuring balanced calcium intake and addressing any underlying parathyroid issues can are crucial for maintaining digestive health. Finally, the last hormone going to talk about is sleep hormones. Melatonin regulate sleep wake cycles and affect the gut motility. Changes in melatonin levels, especially during the night, can impact bowel movements. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule and maintaining light exposure can regulate melatonin levels and improve constipation. So we're going to also talk about the circadian rhythm in the future, but melatonin is hormone regulates the sleep wake cycle and also regulates the circadian rhythm. So managing that, balancing that melatonin is essentially important for maintaining gut motility. So in conclusion, hormone imbalances can significantly impact digestion and contribute to constipation. So, by understanding the roles of hormones such as thyroid hormones, estrogens, progesterones, cortisol, insulin, aldosterone, parathyroid hormones, and melatonin, you can better identify the root cause of your constipation.